What is it?
A strawberry.
Can you say basil?
Basil.
We're gonna show you a super simple trick that I learned that completely changed the way that I buy herbs. So I got this at the local Home Depot. I spent some time looking for the pot that had the most stems. And why? Well, I'll show you. Very gentle, hold on, don't rip the leaves, hold on. Hold on, very gentle.
Oh, she's a beauty.
She's a beauty. So you pull out the whole root ball like that, and each individual stem is a plant. So you're gonna pull it apart. So each one of these stems is a plant. So you just gently pull. There's one. There's one. So that's a simple trick that you can do when you're buying any kind of herb, basil. You can also do that for peppers, because peppers don't mind root. What's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? Root disturbance. So you can do that with peppers. When you're buying peppers at the local store, just look for multiple stems. So me and Buddy are gonna plant these, and we're gonna put them in the ground, and we got 7 little plants to spread throughout the ground. Great pest control.
Hi, wormers.
Oh, this is a big juicy one.
Whoa, baby.
Our garden is full of life. Two more. The reason I bought a pot of basil was because I think I learned an important but hard lesson this year, and I did not properly harden off some of my plants. This one looks a little sick, but a lot of the ones that I started from seed are just stunted in growth. They got a little sunburn, and that's because I did not harden them off properly. As you can see here, like that white there, that's sunburn. So next year I just need to be more careful with hardening them off. So the new plants should take off pretty good. I hope that was a helpful tip for y'all. I know as a gardener, I'm always looking for ways that I can stretch my dollar, and that is one way that you can do it. So the next time you go to the local nursery, Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever you get your plants, look for multiple stems. Even if they're tiny, you pull them apart and they will take off and grow into lovely bushes that won't be competing for each other. If you plant that whole thing in the ground, you'll grow basil, it'll be fine, but it will be more compact and it won't get as bushy. So each individual one is the way to go, and you just get more for your money, and who doesn't like that? So make sure you subscribe. We'll have lots coming. And as always, Belle, you make an appearance in every video. Did you find my hair tie? Did you find my hair tie?